welcome to the first video in our motivation series. In this video, I'll be introducing what motivation is, different types of motivation, and some causes of lack of motivation. I'll also introduce the strategies we'll be exploring in the rest of the videos in this series. What is motivation? Motivation is our reason or reasons for acting or behaving in a particular way. It's the process that initiates, guides, and maintains goal-oriented behaviours. Motivation is important because it can drive you to take action, help you to avoid unhealthy behaviours, help you to feel more in control, and improve your overall well-being and happiness. What motivation looks like differs from one person to the next, and it can also fluctuate depending on the activity. So it's important to try and avoid comparison when addressing your motivation. There are two main types of motivation, which are intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic motivation is internal. It involves doing something because it's personally rewarding to you. Extrinsic motivation is external. It involves doing something because you want to earn a reward or avoid punishment. People are often motivated by either one of these, or both. Neither's right or wrong. Although activation is one component of motivation, i.e. the decision to start a task, motivation can also refer to persistence. That's maintaining a task once we started, and it can also refer to the intensity of the task, which is the concentration or effort that goes into pursuing a goal. In this series, we'll primarily focus on activation. There are some common causes of low motivation that can hinder your motivation levels. Things that can influence low motivation include perfectionism, avoidance of uncomfortable feelings, self-doubt, having too much to do, lack of commitment to a goal, believing in quick fixes, and/or mental health issues. Lack of motivation can be a symptom of depression and linked to other mental health illnesses. Take a moment to consider what might be impacting your motivation. This isn't an activity to diagnose, but by understanding the root cause of motivation, it can help you to address ways to improve it. If you feel like it might be an underlying mental health issue, or you need more guidance around any of the causes, then please reach out to support from Student Services. There are lots of theories around motivation, and the reality is that there are numerous different forces that guide our motivations. In the rest of the videos in this series, we'll explore some different strategies that may help with motivation, but are by no means exhaustive.